Is your Snapchat account locked? Don't worry. This is usually a security measure by Snapchat to protect your privacy. The good news is you can unlock it yourself by contacting Snapchat directly. Let me walk you through the entire process on your Android phone. First, open a browser on your phone. I'll be using Chrome. Then type Snapchat support and search. Open the first link that opens up. This is the official Snapchat support website. Now on the shortcuts menu, tap on My account is compromised. After that, you'll be redirected to the Submit Request panel. In here, type your username or email address associated with your Snapchat account. Don't add any other email, otherwise Snapchat team will not recognize you. And add your mobile number associated with your Snapchat account. Then in the description box, write about your problem. Like for example, hello Snapchat team, my account has been temporarily locked and I can't get back in. I have always followed all the rules set by Snapchat to my best. I would really appreciate if you help me solve this problem and let me back into my account. Thank you. You can just copy paste what I said on your own description box. After that's done, tap on submit button. Now Snapchat support will contact you via email or phone number and hopefully fix this issue in the next 48 to 72 hours. Here's the method to fix your locked Snapchat account issue. If this video helped you recover your account, make sure to like it before you go. See you in the next one.